Welcome back to Binibining Isa Pilipinas 2011. Narito po ang ating top 6 finalists.
Ladies, take a deep breath and brace yourselves because our judges have made the final decision. May we have the results, please?
Ooh, I'm nervous.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nelson Cardenia. Sila po ang nag-tabulate ng ating scores. And here we go. We have our reigning beauty queens as well. Here we go.
Second runner-up to be awarded by Miss Maurice Diaz and Representative Arturo Santos. We have Hannah Celine Soto, candidate number 1 from Cebu.
Congratulations. And now to award our first runner-up, Miss Marina Benipayo and Jeff Simon. Our first runner-up, candidate number 16 from Laguna, Reina Merina.
Binibining Isla Pilipinas, Mindanao. We have Ricky Lo and Patricia Ejercitado. Binibining Isla Pilipinas, Mindanao is Sandra Seifert, candidate number 15 from Bacolod.
Congratulations. Now to award of Binibining Isla Pilipinas Visayas, may we call on Luisa Beltran and Miss Abigail Arenas. Our Binibining Isla Pilipinas Visayas is candidate number 20, Tisha Isabel Fernandez from Cagayan de Oro.
Congratulations. Dalawa na lang po ang natitira. One of these ladies is our Binibining Isla Pilipinas Luzon, to be awarded by Rene Salud and Rona Hizon Villamor. At ang isa naman ay ang tatanghaling Binibining Isla Pilipinas 2011.
To be awarded by Leah Andrea Ramos, Jeff Eigenman, and Madam Yuri Sandoval, ang founder ng Binibining Isla Pilipinas. Are you ready, girls?
Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya, mamahalin kita. Mula ngayon hanggang magpakailanman. Dorcas!